How to reset password on TextNow. First of all, open the app on your device. You will see the sign up and login buttons on the welcome screen. Tap on the login button to access your account. Next, select login with email. On the login screen, enter your email in the email field, then tap on the forget password option. Make sure to use the email that you used when signing up. This will allow you to reset your password if you are unable to log in. You will receive an email with instructions to reset your password. Check your inbox and follow the link provided. Once you open the link, create a new secure password for your account. After setting your new password, return to the app and log in with your updated credentials. Now you know how to reset password on TextNow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.